Hey babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I'm gonna be unbagging my IPSY Glam bag and also my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of February. It's crazy that it's already February, but if you want to see everything that I got, then let's get right into the video. Alright babes, so I literally just got my IPSY box in the mail today, and I promised you guys last month that I was going to try to record this unboxing earlier if possible. So here I am. I just got it today, so I hope you're excited. So here's the theme card for February. Super cute, and it says send love, which is very fitting because it is February, the month of love and friendship. And it says all you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails, you deserve it all. Super cute that it says that. I actually decided to bring out my red lipstick just because it's February, you know. But let's see what's in the bag. So I'm gonna start off as always by sharing with you the regular glam bag, and I have to say this is probably one of my favorite ones so far. Super cute. It's in a really bright red, almost orangey color, and it says seal with a kiss. And stop it, look at this. So it's almost like an envelope, and it has like a little, like a metal closing button here in the shape of lips, and it opens up like that. This bag is so freaking cute. It's probably one of my favorites so far just because there's so much details into this. You know, they made it look like a little envelope, which I think it's so thoughtful, and it even has like a little IPSY stamping here, and it says made with love. I don't know, I'm loving this little pouch. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So far, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 sample size products in here. I just don't like that sometimes they don't put the products in the IPSY Glam bag that are supposed to belong to the IPSY Glam bag. So I'm hoping these are actually the 5 sample products that you receive. And just again, another reminder in case this is your first time watching me, I actually get the influencer box, so I do not get to make any selections in the products that I receive. So I just wanted to mention that in case you didn't know. The first product that I got, it's called Clean It Zero, and I believe the brand is Vanilla Company. This is what it looks like. I love that color, and it's, you know, it's a small sample size but pretty decent. So this is supposed to be a cleansing balm pore clarifying product. Okay, that's actually really cool. Oh, it smells like minty. I don't know, something fresh. Can't really point it out, but definitely something fresh. But I have actually been loving removing my makeup with cleansing balms, so this is a great way for me to try out this brand. I'm gonna be honest, I have never heard of them, so super cool that I'm gonna try them. Oh, this brand I actually know, but this is a very small sample size. Can you guys see how tiny that is? But this is by Glam Glow. So this is supposed to be an illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. And I do like that it has a little bit of a pearly pink finish. I don't think I can show you, but just grabbing some of the product, it does feel like texture is really smooth and hydrating, and it does leave like a little bit of a pearly finish. So I'm really excited to try this out. This is a very small sample size, by the way, but I'm happy I get to try that out. Alright, so the next product that I got in my IPSY Glam bag, it's a perfect eyeshadow duo. This is called Love You First. It doesn't necessarily say a makeup brand, but I believe this is by Real Her Products because it does say that it's manufactured by them, and it is in the tone Rose Gold and Ivory. I have actually tried out their products, and I do like this makeup brand. Oops, if I can open it. Okay, this is the little protecting shield, and this is what the eyeshadow looks like inside. Those are actually pretty colors, and I didn't show you the packaging outside, but that's what it looks like. Definitely super cute for Valentine's. Let me go ahead and swatch these colors. Ooh, that's a lot of pigment right there. Yeah, this so far feels really good, but obviously I have to try them on my eyes to see how they work. But so far, you guys, the swatches do look really pretty and very promising. Just from swatching the eyeshadows, they feel creamy and you definitely get a lot of pigment. And overall, these are pretty neutral shades for me, so I'm excited to try this out. Let me go ahead and wipe this out before it gets everywhere. Alright, so next up, I got this super tiny lipstick from Bite Beauty. I have actually tried their lipsticks before and I do like their formula. This is a really small sample size, but again, you know, it's really cute and I actually do like that shade. It's really bright though. It seems like it's a satin or like almost like a very moisturizing lipstick, and that is what it looks like. Very creamy, but I will say that the shade's a little bit like sheer. It's not as pigmented as it looks on the little tube, but it's a really cute lipstick to try it out. Okay, and the last product that I got on my IPSY Glam bag is by a brand called About Face. I believe that's the name. It does say About Face quite a few times on the packaging, but this is their fluid eye paint. And so far, I mean, I kind of like the packaging. It's got like this rubber-like material. I don't know, it makes it feel different. But let's see, let's open this up. I just don't know if I like this shade, to be honest. And it seems like the product inside, it is in the same colors as you can see. I mean, I almost wish that this was in a different color. If this is supposed to be a liquid eyeshadow type of product, I'm not sure I will wear this. That's what the product looks like. I don't know, you guys. Definitely not a fan of this color, and again, I didn't get to select or pick any of the colors that I received, but I will give it a try. But so far I'm not excited about this shade in particular, especially for an eyeshadow. Maybe if it was a liquid lipstick or something like that. That's what I received as the last product on my IPSY Glam bag. So now let's go ahead and open up the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So this is what the IPSY Glam Bag Plus stream bag looks like. It's red and it has little lips all over. Definitely cute for February, but I'm not 100% convinced with the material, to be honest. I think it's just that I'm really impressed about the regular IPSY Glam bag. I really love this little pouch, and this one, it's completely different as far as the fabric. I mean, it's still in the same color, but it's just different. So just in case you are wondering, but let's see. Okay, so far I do see a brand that I am a huge fan of, and I'm really happy that I got this. So you guys, we actually got a makeup brush from It Cosmetics. This is what it looks like, and I personally haven't purchased any of their makeup brushes just because they are very expensive, but I have heard great things about them. So this is their Heavenly Skin. Oh my goodness, this brush, it's super soft. This is what it looks like. I mean, aesthetically, the packaging is so beautiful. It's got like this chrome finish handle, but the bristles are super white. They feel super soft, but I'm just concerned in regards to washing this, just because this is a foundation brush at the end. So just, I can't really imagine how dirty this brush is gonna get once you actually use foundation on it. Aesthetically, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna give them that, but regardless, that is amazing, you know, because I know It Cosmetics brushes are really expensive and the packaging is super pretty. but obviously I have to try it out. All right, and the second product that I got on my IPSY Glam Bag Plus is by Tokyo Milk. This is their shea butter hand cream. So far this packaging is actually really cute. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna pick it up. Oh, there you go. Maybe you can see it a little bit. I do have my ring light, so sometimes it can wash off the colors. But let's open this up. This is what the actual product looks like inside. This is a pretty good size, you guys, and I'm actually happy that this is a hand cream. My skin gets super dry pretty much all year round, but more than anything during the winter time. So I love using different types of hand creams and lotions. So I'm actually gonna try this out. The scent, it's pretty overpowering, but it's not something that I dislike, I have to say, but the scent is pretty strong. But it does feel super soft and hydrating. So I know for sure I will be using that up. So next up, I got a Sunkiss blush, and this is by a brand called Mael. Please excuse me if I mispronounce that, but this is what it looks like. Oh, this is a pretty packaging, but one of those packagings that definitely get dirty easily. You can see my camera setup and everything, but there you have it. It actually feels pretty luxurious if you are judging just from the packaging, and quite big. Oh my goodness, this is actually very pretty, you guys. It's supposed to be a blush, but I do see different shades in there. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. So there's like 2, 4, 6, I don't know, like 8 different tones of blush. I'm actually really excited about this. I'm just not sure because they are like shimmery blushes, and I personally prefer matte blush. But the second one that I swatched, this darker one right here, doesn't seem to have that much glitter in it, and it's also more pigmented. So definitely I'll be giving this blushes a try. But overall, I mean, that is pretty cool that you get different shades in here. So next, I got a daily moisturizer by the brand Gold Fading MD. But this is actually very interesting, you guys, because this is an evening skin tone daily moisturizer that has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. This is a hydrating moisturizer that delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. I have never heard about this brand before, but I personally do suffer from dark spots on my face, and this product is supposed to help to even out your skin tone, which I'm interested about. So I will definitely be giving this a try, and that's pretty cool. So that brings us to the very last item in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This is actually a lengthening mascara, and I believe the brand is called Item. Another new brand to me, and it comes in this clear bag packaging, as you can see. So let's open this up. Every time that I get a new mascara, I have to check out the one. Oh, this is pretty interesting. So that is what the mascara one looks like. This is supposed to be a lengthening mascara, but so far the little brush is very small for a regular size mascara, but obviously I have to try this out. I have never heard about this brand, but it is made in Italy. I mean, the packaging is pretty cute. So that is everything that I got on my IPSY Glam bag and also in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. But I'm not done yet, just because they did send over this additional goodies from Refreshments. I think I mentioned to you guys, I want to say it was on last month or the prior month, maybe, I can't recall, but they did just came out with a new subscription box that is supposed to be like body care products. So this is what they sent over. The first one is their Pillowy shaving cream, and that is what the packaging looks like. Pretty good size if you ask me. However, if you guys have been with me for a while, then you know that I actually do laser hair removal, so I don't really shave. But that is pretty cool, you know, that it is an option. And the second item came in this little bag, and I want to say the bag is exactly the same as the one that we received in the prior month whenever we got it. And this is what they sent over, and this is a Luxe 5-blade razor kit. Okay, so now I get it. So these products are supposed to be used together, so you get a shaving cream and the razor kit. So that is pretty cool. If you do shave, you know that you are able to get these products as an option. But that is pretty cool, you know, that you get to select body care products, and this is supposed to be a brand from IPSY, from what I remember reading about when I researched it. But that is everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'm actually really happy with a lot of the products that we got in this month. Especially this little pouch is super cool, and I'm really excited about this Eat Cosmetics brush. I mean, there's several products in here that definitely I'm excited about, but there are some products that I wasn't so into them, I guess, but definitely I have to give them a try. Either way, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.